Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Triangle Cube 3. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. This puzzle has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings will be covered. There are 2 openings, one on each side, and there's supposed to be no gaps like you can see here and no sticking out parts like you can see on this side. This puzzle is made of 2 different kinds of wood, Honduran mahogany and acacia. It requires 18 steps to solve it, 18 steps to assemble it, and then 18 more steps to disassemble it. And this puzzle requires rotation. Now I will show you all parts of this puzzle. Let me try to remove them first. There are 4 and there is one more part inside that I have to try to remove. There are 5 parts, as you can see, and each part has unique shape, and you have to figure out how to put them in a cube shape and then fit inside the frame. When you assemble the cube, all these parts are gonna cover almost all space of the cube. There are only there will be 24 voxels out of 27 covered, and that's going to be quite difficult to figure out the way how to fit it inside the frame. If you like Triangle Cube 3 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first I'll start with showing you how to assemble the frame, assemble the cube outside the frame. So the frame we will use like this. The opening on the left side will be on the top, and the opening on the right side will be on the bottom. And now let's try to figure out the way how to put these parts together. So these 2 small parts will go together like this. The next piece that you have to put is going to be this one. You have to put it like this. So the next piece goes on top, and as you can see, there is 1, 2 voxels are going to be not covered, and this goes on top, and there is going to be the third one that is going to stay empty. So that is the shape you have to fit inside the frame. And now I will show you how to remove it. But I'm going to do it without the frame so you can see what is happening inside. Just imagine that there is a frame on top of this cube with the cutout on top left part and bottom right part. So what we can do, the first move is we can move this top part to the left. Now we can move this part up, and the bottom part will go to the right. And now you will be able to move the piece that is on the bottom 1 step to the right, since we have the cutout on the bottom there. When you made this move, this piece will fall down, and it will allow you to remove this part 1 step to the left towards yourself and remove from the frame. So the next move, what you can do is move this piece up. This goes inside, and now you have to move these 2 parts to the left, and this part will go down here. If you move these 2 parts up now, you will be able to remove the bottom piece. That's quite difficult to hold in hands. So this piece will be removed quite easy, and this will go down, and you will be able to remove it as well. And now it's going to be easy to remove these 2 parts, but there is a rotation required to remove these 2 parts, but that's not going to be difficult to do it, since now they're like this. You have to rotate them either like this and remove through the left part, or like this and remove through the right part. So that was the theory how you can do it, but now let's try to assemble it inside the frame. So I'll grab these 2 small parts, feed them through the right part, move them towards this wall of the cube and rotate like this. Yeah, that it's not easy to do, but I'll try again. I have to rotate them and keep them right here, but move them up like this. If you hold with your finger the left piece, it's gonna hold the right piece as well. So the next one goes this piece inside and move it up. And now you will be able to fit this piece inside as well. And now we have only one piece left. To put it inside, first of all, move this piece up. This piece will go inside. Now there is enough space to move this piece out of the frame, and the second big piece will fall down. That's when you can fit this piece. You have to put it in this corner, then one step this way and inside. And now gravity can help you to solve the puzzle. Just rotate it upside down. The piece that was here fell down. Now if you tilt it to the left, this piece will go inside. If you rotate it again, the other piece will go down, and that's when you can just put the last piece inside. So that was the way how to assemble the puzzle. And since this puzzle comes unsolved, to complete the solution you have to remove all the parts from the frame. So we will start with this piece, just tilt it to the left. Now what we can do is rotate it upside down, and this piece on the left will fall down. Tilt it to the right so that the second small piece will go to the right. And at the same time the big piece will stick out from the right side. Put it back to the original position, and that's when the second big piece will fall down and you can remove this piece easy. So next we have to put this piece up, that is inside, and put this piece from the right inside again. Now you have to move both small pieces inside in such a way that this piece that is on top gonna stay on top, but the second piece will go to the left, and that's when the first piece will drop down. And now to remove the next piece, just flip the puzzle upside down. These two small parts will fall down, and you will be able to remove the big part. Next, move the second big part up, and you can easily remove it. And now you have just to rotate those two small pieces to remove them from the frame. So that was the solution of Triangle Cube 3. As you could see, quite difficult solution, but it is possible to solve it. If you like Triangle Cube 3 puzzle, or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!